Hello, good day everyone, and today we're going to discuss how to reactivate our NworldX account. So in NworldX compensation program, the moment you reach a certain number of pairs, it means that you finished a certain or particular level, your account is automatically deactivated. Like in this demo account that we are showing you, okay, the account, you will know if it's already deactivated because the status below it says deactivated. So once it is deactivated, all the points that is coming in your organization will not be counted unless your account is reactivated. So to reactivate your account, it's either you buy your reactivation package over the counter in the office, or you can buy it online in our NworldWide, or you can also use your wallet fund if you have enough wallet fund. So once you have already the activation code, you will receive it in your email. So just get the activation code, this one, and the ID number. Then once you are already in your dashboard, just click reactivate account. By the way, this reactivate account button will just automatically appear the moment you reach the deactivation period of your account. So just click this one and enter the activation code. Okay, then now the pin, then the activation pin. So once you already entered the activation code and the activation pin, just click activate now. Then it says account reactivated, account successfully reactivated. Then just click OK. So that's how to reactivate our NworldX account so that you can continue earn points left and right from your organization.